Welcome everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Two old ladies learning video games. This time we are learning Son of Forest. I'm Shree.
I'm Lisa. Ooh, you don't look good. Hey, I got some ramen
Oh,
noodles.
where did you get those, I wonder?
They were laying on the ground down here.
I don't think I could get any more mats. Nope. Or things.
Yeah, those are for like tents. I can't. Oh, there's some money. More money. Oh, there's a lot of flies around here. Okay, so.
Oh, rotten oysters. Turtle legs. How'd you get those?
Oh, maybe you
Oh
did
yeah, I
get
got
them.
ramen noodles. I did. Yeah,
Okay.
I got some ramen noodles. Oh, I got
Okay.
binoculars.
Do I have any of them? Let me see. I got a lot of ramen
God,
noodles.
yeah, me too. Boy, those flies are really like.
A couple of turtle shells. I got a turtle head.
Oh.
A couple of watches, some wire.
Uh oh, I hear something.
Okay. Well, where do we want to go? We were looking for the purple things. We found one
That's right.
and
What's
we
over here?
couldn't
Hold on.
map.
Oh, rock.
Which map did
Okay.
which one were we at? We must have, you think we were at that one that was closest to us probably?
Yeah.
So we need to go find a different one. Which one do you want to try to go find? There's one out in the water and there's one out in the woods.
Oh, watch. There's the three-legged
Crazy.
lady.
Yep.
Well, let's go to the one. There's one. Oh, I don't know. You decide.
Well, let's go inland. Why not, right?
Yeah.
So let's head north, I guess. So there's a road this direction. Somewhere. Or is it getting dark and we need to sleep?
Oh, you know what?
It's
Yes.
getting darker, isn't it?
Yes.
We could sleep
It's
in
not
these.
dark enough, though. I think we'll
No.
wake up in the dark.
Yeah, well, we're here. How's my water? We got pots. I don't have a pot.
Let's just.
I don't have water. I need a light. Turn the map off.
All right. Yeah, it's starting to get dark. But yeah. Oh.
Uh-oh. I heard somebody.
Oh.
Apparently he didn't have a pot here at this
No.
camp. Well, what do we do now?
All right.
Sleep, and hopefully it's kind of light
Yeah.
when we get up.
Yep.
All right. Oh, look, it's
Oh,
light.
it is.
All right.
Now I'm hungry and thirsty.
Me
Okay.
too. What do I have here?
We got meals.
I'll eat it MRE, and I guess I'll just drink a energy drink.
Yeah.
I,
I only got one, but I'm gonna drink it.
I've only got one
Okay.
too, so I drank it. All right. All right. Someplace up this way, I think there was a path for us to follow.
Okay.
So we're gonna go. If we go this way.
Did you put a timer on, Lisa?
Yes, they did. I don't know if I'm
All
going the
right.
right way or the wrong way, but sort of looks like a path, don't it?
Yep.
Okay, let's see which way I want to go. We want to go left. It's gonna be yeah, let's go left. So Kelvin's following us? Okay.
Yep.
Just making sure. Just picking up sticks and stuff along my way. Oh,
I
we're
was
going
gonna say.
uphill. This is. Whew.
Oh, my health is kind of low.
Well, yeah, it's because we're not healthy yet. We crashed, I guess. How much medicine do you have? I'm going to eat a medicine. There we go. Sounds like I'm eating some candy. Did you get one? What are you looking at down there?
There. Nothing. I'm getting my medicine.
Okay. Why
I
just
guess when we look at stuff, it takes us down on the knee because I've seen you go
like
down.
okay, we go down on our knee to look through our pack.
Yep. Oh, there's to the left.
Okay, just hopefully ignore them and they'll leave us alone. Keep following the path for now. And we're going to get up to this little circle area up here, it looks like. Yeah, and we're going to want to, it's like a roundabout. Where are they?
He went up that tree back there.
Well, hopefully he stays away from us. There's a roundabout thing up here. And we need to like take the second one. Wish we could find some guns. Oh, here's the little circle. This is what I was calling a roundabout.
Okay.
What this is. Oh, look.
Oh, wow. Look at the
Bro.
peats.
Oh, yeah. You can pick up bones. Can you pick them up too?
I think so. Let's see. Yep.
Got some more rope. Oh, there's a
Cloth.
head. Yeah. A watch. Bones. Feel bad robbing the graves, huh?
Yeah.
Well, you know what?
How rude of us.
I've got bones now. Let me see. Put a bone on. What can I make? Ooh, we got 4 bones. You can make some bone armor.
Oh.
Boom, 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 boom. Woo! All right.
Okay,
like
hold
to
on. Just
wear.
a lot of money in this one. Holy.
All right. Well, I'm wearing a bone armor now. Oh, there's stuff
Okay,
inside
hold
of
on.
these. Ooh. Really feel bad.
Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, that was
What?
you.
Oh, that wasn't though. Some wire. There's some more stuff. So did you get
Where
some
did you
bone?
get the wire from?
It was in here.
Oh, maybe I grabbed it and I don't.
Did you make yourself some bone armor and put it on?
Not yet, but I'm gonna.
Okay.
Okay, so Go in
Oh,
here.
uh-huh. There's more bones up here if you need them.
I think I grabbed those ones. Okay. Combine. How many bones did I need for that?
4 of them.
Okay. And then, let's see, bone armor. Okay. And then tape and rope.
Mm-hmm. Oh, here's another box. It's got meds. Oh, no. Canned food and wire in this box.
Where?
Okay. Up
Okay.
here.
Got my bone armor on. Oh, yeah. I got the stuff.
I smushed in this little box.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't get that. Okay. I hear them.
So do I.
There he is, right there. He's in the hole.
Okay, let him be there. I'm looking to see which way we need to go now.
Here he comes. Careful.
Oh, there's 2 of them. There's 3 of them. Let's see if we can walk away. We came from this way. I think we need to go this way.
He's following us.
Watch out. There's so many of them here.
He's coming at you.
Yeah. There's one behind you too, though. I seen him. He was in the woods.
I see him.
There's a bunch of them. He's coming. Ooh. This one's dead.
Run away.
That one's dead. Oh, watch out. He's not. He's right here. Watch out. He's gathering up behind you.
Oh my God.
Oh, what happened to Kelvin? He's hurt. I revived him.
Okay.
Is this the right direction now? I hope so. Oh, map out so I can.
Okay, just told him to follow me.
Yeah, let's go this way yet for a while. I missed him. There's a lake down there, but trying to see where we're going.
Okay.
Okay, if we can keep following this one up yet, I guess, and then we could.
Oh, there's a deer.
We're gonna run out of energy here if we continue to run.
I'm not continuing to run. Oh, there's a spot to dig. I wonder how we can make a shovel.
I don't know. When we get up here, we need to go right. Oh, there's graves. Yeah. Is there anything here? We need to find some shovels.
I wonder if there's... Okay, I'm gonna put the stick in. See if it'll...
Uh-oh. I heard bad guys again.
Yep. Oh, there's a whole whack of them, Lisa.
All right, let's just go then. Oh my gosh.
Oh, there's one in front of me.
Wow. Yeah, raccoon, sorry, but... we don't have good enough equipment to take them on. Come on, Kelvin, keep up. Ooh, okay.
I don't know where we were going to be going.
Well, wait a second. We need to stop and look at the map again for a second. We were going to go, if you look, we're...
Watch out!
Oh,
Oh, he got me. Oh, he's gonna kill me. Oh, he got me. I have to spawn. Oh.
oh crap. I'm out of... Oh, he's going to get me too, so... I'm dead. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I guess we were... Well, I'm here by you now, probably.
You are. Oh, he got me again.
Oh, crap. You might be dead this time. I don't know.
Nope, I'm here with you.
Okay, good. I grabbed my box. Oh, crap.
Come on, get up.
Oh, crap. I'm dead again. We're like in the middle of them. It's like we're going to have to
I got
run.
my backpack on me, they killed me again.
I stabbed him a couple of times. Where's my backpack at now? Come on, get it and run. Crap. I don't even know where Kelvin is. Oh, I got him dead with one. Oh, crap. I'm like dying here.
How did he get me?
Alright, I'm better.
No?
Nope, nope, nope. Crap. You're there. You just got off the tree.
Yep. Okay.
Hit him in the head with a spear. Oh crap! Oh, bad guy.
Can't get spear yet.
Oh, I'm dead again. Ugh.
Oh, me too.
I've killed a couple of them.
I'm.
I lost one spear though because I couldn't get it back. Once you throw them in, you got to go retrieve them. That's usually when I die. Where's my bag at? Where's my bag at?
I don't know.
Oh,
If
there
I
it
see
is.
my bag.
Come on, let me get off of this. Oh, where am I? I'm like stuck right there. I'm gonna die again. Whew.
If I get killed one more time, that's it.
Really? Run then.
I am.
All right, I'm following you. Go. Why did it come up and tell you that?
Well, the little skull on my thing was like at the very end.
Okay, get far enough away, stop and see if you can take some medicine. Eat some medicine, and if you can... Oh crap, he's here. I'm dead again. Where am I? I'm not... Oh, there I am.
No, I'm still here.
Okay, yeah, I mean, I'm here too. He's far enough away at the moment, though. We're gonna have to find a place to get out of here and... I got him.
You got him?
I got him. Whew.
Phew. Okay. All right. Let's try and collect some stuff around here then.
Let's do it quick and then find a place to save and...
Yeah. Hey, here's a photo of...
Ooh, a skin
it's not
pouch.
the same...
Did you get the skin pouch?
I don't know.
Go into your inventory and look down to the left of like where... Oh,
No,
crap!
watch out.
Crap, bad guys here
Here.
again. Dang. Alright, I thought I...
You got him.
Oh! Oh, thank you. Make sure he's dead. Alright.
Oh. Okay, I'm in my pouch. Where did,
Oh, in your inventory here. Down...
Yeah. I
Should-
got it. Skin pouch. Okay.
Right-click it and then... hit the little wheel thingy and it opens it up and you get stuff in it. I'm gonna make me
Nice.
a couple more spears. Then we need to find a place to save.
Yeah.
Okay. What in the world?
A girl.
Oh.
I hit her, but
Oh, there's more than that. Should we try to just get out of here?
yeah.
Okay, which way do I need to go? Which way? I gotta figure out where we're at and which way I need to go. We need to head this direction. So let's go this way and we should be able to get back a bunch of money here. Get back onto the road up here somewhere. Found a road.
Okay.
I need to drink.
Yeah, me too.
Well, I did pick up. Watch out, there's bad guys.
I hear them again.
Yeah, they're there. I did pick
They're
up
in front of us too.
Well, I'm drinking another energy drink. I picked it up earlier.
Yeah, I got one to drink. Okay.
Oh, I got some cooked meat too that I apparently picked up. So.
Nice. Okay. I don't want to be sitting in my inventory because they come that way.
I'm watching you. Okay, you go to your inventory. I gotcha. If you want to look to see if you got food or drink, I'll watch your back.
a drink. Let's see if I got food. Oh, I got cooked meat too.
Yeah, that's what I had. I ate some of that before it spoiled.
There.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Now
let's.
All right, let's follow the road this way.
Okay,
by
be
this
careful there
lake.
to your left.
Yeah. We're gonna follow it here along the river. But we need to find a place so we could just set up a tent real fast. We stop someplace real quick, maybe just have Kelvin set up a tent that we could save.
Yeah, let's do that.
And let's be done. All right.
This is a nice place too to like build a house.
Well, okay, but let's get Kelvin
Not right
here.
now, but
get Kelvin up. He's back there.
There he is.
You talk to him. I'm watching for bad people.
He can only build a fire.
What? All right, I'll set up.
No. Never mind. I got it.
Okay.
Sorry.
I would like to.
There's a turtle here.
Okay. A little one?
Yeah.
Okay. I'd like to get some birds if possible. Who's yelling? Or was that you?
Must have been me when I...
Okay.
Oh, Calvin's having a little nap.
Did he build his shelter? Okay.
Yeah, and he's in it. Yeah.
All right. I'm making a few arrows and then we can save it. Okay, never mind. I made some. Let's save. All right, I've got it saved. Thanks for watching us. Hopefully you enjoyed this.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching us. We sure hope you enjoyed us.
If you haven't done so yet, hit the subscribe button, like our videos, and leave us a comment.